In today's video, I'll show you how to know if someone removed you from a Microsoft Teams meeting. This can be confusing, especially if you suddenly get disconnected and aren't sure whether it was a technical issue or if you were removed by the organizer. Let's break it down in a simple and easy way. First, understand that Microsoft Teams does not send a direct notification saying you were removed from a meeting. However, there are a few clear signs you can look for. One common sign is if you're suddenly kicked out of the meeting and see a message saying you've been removed or that the meeting has ended for you, while others are still inside the meeting. This usually means the organizer or a presenter removed you. Another way to check is by trying to rejoin the meeting using the same link. If you're unable to rejoin and the meeting is still ongoing, this is another strong indication that you were removed by the organizer. You can also check the meeting chat. If you no longer have access to the chat or can't send messages while the meeting is still active, that may mean you were removed. If you were invited through a calendar invite, open the meeting details in your Teams calendar. If the meeting disappears or your access is revoked while the meeting is still happening, that's another possible sign you were removed. It's also important to rule out technical issues. Poor internet connection, app crashes, or switching devices can sometimes disconnect you from a meeting. If you're able to rejoin without any problem, it was likely just a temporary issue and not a removal. If you're still unsure, the best and most reliable option is to message the meeting organizer directly and ask for clarification. And that's how you can tell if you were removed from a Microsoft Teams meeting. If this video helped you, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.